A 400-pound water tank versus a 25-foot living rope. The Amazon's crushing queen meets Asia's lightning assassin, two of Earth's most powerful constrictors. But who's actually stronger? Who wins in a one-on-one encounter? I'm Patrick from Speculative Science, and today we're answering the ultimate question: Green Anaconda versus Reticulated Python. Who dominates? We'll compare them on 4 key battlegrounds: raw crushing power, speed, and agility, hunting mastery, and survival endurance. Plus, we'll run 3 deathmatch scenarios to see who comes out on top when these serpent titans clash. Stick around. The science behind these living weapons will blow your mind. Meet the champions! First, meet the Green Anaconda, South America's crushing machine. Meet Eunectes murinus, the heaviest snake on Earth. We're talking up to 25 feet of pure muscle, weighing around 400 pounds at maximum verified sizes. That's still heavier than most large mammals. This aquatic assassin rules the Amazon's murky waters with a body around 12 inches thick and crushing power that can stop a caiman's heart in seconds. But here's what makes it terrifying: those eyes and nostrils positioned on top of its head. That's for submarine style hunting. It can stay almost completely submerged while stalking prey that has no idea death is lurking just below the surface. Now meet the reticulated python, Asia's length legend. Now meet Malayopython reticulatus, the longest verified snake species. Around 20 to 25 feet of coiled death wrapped in nature's most perfect camouflage. This isn't just big, it's biomechanically brilliant. That intricate net pattern isn't just pretty, it's psychological warfare. Prey literally can't see it coming until it's too late. And get this, despite being longer than most vehicles, this thing can still climb trees and swim across waters to colonize islands. We're talking about a snake that's part torpedo, part ninja. Now start our 4 battle rounds. Round 1, raw crushing power. The Anaconda's secret weapon, pure bulk. That massive frame generates crushing forces that exceed prey blood pressure, enough to stop circulation and cause unconsciousness. When it wraps around a 200-pound capybara, the massive body diameter creates intense localized pressure that can be lethal within minutes. But the python's length means more coils. More coils equal more surface area compressing the victim. It's like being squeezed by multiple bands simultaneously. Winner, Anaconda. That incredible girth delivers more powerful localized pressure the python can't match. Round 2, speed and strike agility. Here's where the tables turn. The python's streamlined build makes it faster in short bursts compared to the anaconda's patient underwater ambush style. Plus, it can climb high into trees and drop like a living missile. The anaconda, it's built for patience, not speed. But in water, it becomes a different beast, using currents and buoyancy to move with surprising stealth. Winner, reticulated python. Superior land mobility and 3-dimensional hunting gives it the edge. Round 3, hunting intelligence and senses. Both snakes are heat-sensing predators with Jacobson's organs that can detect chemical traces in the air. The python's labial pits give it excellent infrared detection for warm-blooded prey, superior thermal sensing compared to many other predators. The anaconda counters with perfect aquatic sensory placement and the ability to detect vibrations through water across significant distances. Winner tie. Both are sensory masterpieces, just specialized for different environments. Round 4, endurance and survival. The anaconda can fast for weeks to months after a massive meal. Its thick body stores energy like a biological battery. The python needs to hunt more frequently due to its higher surface area losing heat, but the python's adaptability is legendary. It colonizes islands, survives in diverse climates, and even thrives near human settlements. Winner, anaconda. Superior energy storage and aquatic refuge give it the survival edge. Final score, Anaconda 3, Python 1. After analyzing crushing power, speed, senses, and endurance, the Green Anaconda takes the crown. That incredible bulk and aquatic mastery give it the edge in most scenarios. But here's the real truth. In water, the anaconda dominates most of encounters. On land, the python flips those odds with its speed and agility. The most fascinating discovery? These aren't just big snakes. Their evolutionary weapon systems perfected over millions of years for completely different hunting strategies. Two apex predators, two different approaches to being an ultimate constrictor. The anaconda proves that raw power still matters in nature, while the python shows that versatility can take you anywhere on Earth. What matchup do you want to see next? American alligator versus crocodile? Drop your battles in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and remember, this is Speculative Science, where we settle nature's greatest debates through pure science.